Hello guys, welcome to nextbest.com. We are here to talk about Big Boss. So yesterday was very interesting episode where we saw Rohan putting up quite a good fight against Manveer's team. However, they lost the task. We have with us Arushi who's going to talk more about it. So Arushi, how was the task? And I saw that yesterday these people, Manveer's team was not, very thankful to him.
Yeah, so it so happens that Manveer's team finally succeeds in pushing aside the Rohan's team, and they finally won the task, which made the trio Manveer, Lopamudra, and Manu Punjabi the first three finalists of Big Boss season 10. But the sad part was the two, Manu Punjabi and Lopamudra, were not a bit thankful to Manveer for what he did for them to make them the finalists. It was only because of Manveer that two of them got a chance to get a direct entry into the finale. But I don't think, because Lopamudra was like, even I contributed, I did this, I did that. Yeah, he was a major contributor, but even I did things. So she was not ready to accept that yes, this big win has come to her because of Manveer.
And we also saw that the other team's party, Bani Judge was very shocked that how come they're not realizing that it is because of Manveer, who stood there for 4.5 hours and taking all that came to his way.
Actually, that benchmark of 4 hours was set by Manveer. If he would not have set that bar, then it might have been possible for the Rohan's team to get into the task and win that task.
Exactly.
But then, and more shocking was Manu Punjabi's thanklessness. He was even inconsiderate towards what Manveer did for him and Lopa. So it was quite saddening that even a best friend cannot realize the worth of his friend.
And continuing that, yesterday when the Big Boss told these people to select two worst performers for each one from the team, when Manu and Manveer was pointing out at Lopamudra, she couldn't just agree to it. She was like, I participated as much as you did and blah blah blah, but not realizing that because of her, Manu had to leave
the task.
The task, because eventually she was moving her hand, she was getting irritated, she was irritating the other person as well.
She was getting aggressive for no purpose.
Yeah, exactly. So I don't know, I didn't really get the point that why she wasn't willing to go. However, eventually she had to, because of the
Big Boss intervention. Actually, Big Boss intervened, and he had to again tell them that, guys, you need to do something which has been given to you.
Exactly.
So you have to come out with a decision, and that too with proper reason for that, which Manveer was not giving initially.
Oh, well, we also saw in the continuing episode, we will see that in today's episode, Shah Rukh will come as a guest on the show. And
he will be talking to Manveer on the phone, and Manveer will be having a special fan moment with Shah Rukh. Initially, though, he'll not realize that it is Shah Rukh Khan who is talking to him over the phone. But yes, Shah Rukh Khan is up with some secret task for Manveer and Bani. Let's see what happens next in the Big Boss house tonight. Stay tuned and keep watching IndianExpress.com.